Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share week 29 for hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creation. I'll have her link down below. It's an open collaboration where we come on and alter 52 cards in a year, and each week we hop on Thursdays to share what we created. So this week, I was thinking about vacation and traveling, and um, so I like to show the playing card, and I only decorate the center. But the flashcards, I do cover the entire thing, but I do like to have a little peek of the playing card. So I have this paper. Um, I think it was it was from Tuesday morning, and it has a whole bunch of maps and just, and they're really thin. I think this is like mulberry paper, or, they're really thin paper. I mean, thinner than regular pattern paper. And I layered that down. Um, then I stamped out this stamp that I've had in my stash forever. And then I used my teeny tiny little stamps. This used to be, I think these were Studio G, either at Joann's or Michael's. They used to carry this brand. And I made it into a little pocket. Oh, sorry. A little pocket that says summer. Oops. Let's see if I can share it. Summer travel. And I thought that was really cute. I made a little pocket with some paper. This is a sticker, says family. This is just a circle that I added there. I just thought it looked kind of cool. Then I used my deco scissors um, from Fiskars. I have a complete, I don't know if it's the complete set of these scissors, but long time ago when I first started crafting, I bought a set of these scissors, and I never got rid of them because you could do so much. I mean, it just gives a nice edge to paper, especially this deco. It almost looks like ripped paper, and so I did that to my little pocket, and I just thought these were so cute. So that is for week 29, July 18, for Deck the Year. And I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.